And now, your NBC26 Storm Shield forecast with meteorologist Gino Recchia.
A lot of rainfall today. Take a look at some of these totals. The highest was in Sheboygan County, 3.7 inches in Howard Grove, Princeton, near 3.5 inches, 2.8 inches in Oshkosh, Manitowoc just under 2.5, down towards Green Bay about an inch. So higher north you lived, the lesser rainfall totals you saw. And you can see in this depiction of the radar rainfall estimates along and south of Highway 29 saw the highest totals. North in the Northwoods, about a half inch or so, but still dealing with some rainfall this evening. Most of the heavy rains are along and east of Highway 41 continuing, and it's not going away anytime soon. We still have the rain in store all the way into Tuesday morning, but the center of low pressure moving off to the east. We have seen a diminished coverage and intensity of the rainfall this evening. A heavy line of showers and thunderstorms allowing a lot of that moisture from preventing it to move up to the north. We call it kind of atmospheric or moisture damming, and that is good news for us, but still dealing with the light to moderate rain showers on and off at times through the overnight. Here we are at 3 o'clock in the morning. Now we wake up 8 o'clock, 8:30, still dealing with scattered rain showers. It continues into the afternoon, continues into the evening. You get the gist of it. We go all the way into Tuesday morning, and that's when we start to see this fall apart as the low pressure tracks eastward, and we start to get a little bit of dry air working its way in here. So by Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening, sunshine will be returning. Rainfall totals now until Tuesday. Some locations could pick up another 1 to 2, maybe even 3 inches of rain on top of what we have already seen this evening. Because of all of this and the heavy rain we saw today, flood advisories in effect. We also have that flood warning along the shoreline, and we have still flood watches in effect for parts of our area that go until Tuesday morning. Now, another thing that just got issued for the Sheboygan River, a river flood warning in effect. It looks like the river will be cresting tomorrow morning at about 9.3 feet, so minor flooding ongoing. Winds, that's another story with the storm. We've got that coming down from the northeast at about 30 to 45 miles per hour, and that's why we got a wind advisory in effect until 4 o'clock, but still anticipating gusty winds into the afternoon and evening tomorrow. Skycast is showing that as we get into daybreak tomorrow, about 30 to 35 mile per hour wind gusts. Some higher locations, especially in the Door Peninsula, near 40 miles per hour, continuing all into the evening. But watch what happens as we get towards Tuesday. The winds do light up. We do still have, because of the strong winds out of the northeast, lakeshore flood advisories, lakeshore flood warnings until 7 o'clock Monday evening. And we do have chilly conditions as well. We're not going to warm up by much tomorrow. Very similar to what we're seeing right now, 52 degrees in Green Bay. Cooling down to an overnight low of 48. Northeast winds 15 to 25 miles per hour. Tomorrow we see a high temperature, only 51. Average high is 67 for this time of year. Gusty northeast winds 15 to 30 miles per hour. Getting up to 61, early rain shower Tuesday morning. Then we see sunshine by the later afternoon. 68 on our Wednesday, and lower 70s. The weather's looking better as we get closer towards the end of the weekend. And how about that? Memorial Day weekend kicking off with maybe even the first 80 of the year. Abby?
It's almost like you planned it, Gino. All right, thanks. Well, up next, a Wisconsin